What is up, guys? Today we're going to be studying the Caelobus nalismus, one of the most elusive species in the universe. So, to catch the Caelobus nalismus, we must lure him out first. Luckily, we have his favorite food. Doryteros. Now, the Caelobus nalismus only likes his Doryteros very cold, so we froze them for 3 weeks. Now, we're about to place the bait. Alright, now, I believe he seems to have spotted our trap. Oh, just kidding. Oh, I believe he notices the strange marking on the mailbox. And now he's approaching it. Violently opens the mailbox. And you see, he's devouring the Doryteros and escaping to his nest. This is incredible behavior that we're seeing here. I see he's saving it for later, his rock nest. Now, the nalismus is famous for its rock nests. It finds random piles of rocks and creates a nest in it. So right now we're going down to a report of a wild nalismus out in someone's yard, and we're going to investigate. Oh, what's that? What's that? Come here. This are the remains of a carcass from the nalismus. It must have eaten water before. It's dead. Sorry. Let's move on. We're almost at the site. There he is! Here, I'll answer. PJ, help! Help! And just point at it with a really surprised face. Sorry, this door doesn't work. You gotta go around back.
Yeah, you gotta go around back.
Yeah, let us get through. Sorry.
Yeah, you gotta go around back. Do this way. Yeah. Sorry, that door doesn't really work. You can't really use it, so you gotta go back here. That one doesn't work either.
He's gonna come through here.
Yeah, just go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead. Yeah, sorry, that other door doesn't really work.
So, Mark Peterson, can I call you Mark Peterson? About what time did you see the Nalismus?
It's 3 a.m.
So what was your reaction to seeing the Nalismus in your yard?
Well,
And so, what did you hear? So,
What's going on with you, man?
I'm sorry.
How many times did I do this? This is take 43.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
God bless you. He went off to the left, you know? Just ran into the woods.
And just point out with really surprised face. Get your dog. Spanking, sir. Hey, sorry, man. This door doesn't work.
You gotta go around back. You gotta go around back.
You gotta go around back, dude.
You gotta go around back.
Go, just go around back. We'll let you in. Sorry, just go around. What? No, sorry, the door doesn't work. It doesn't work. You gotta go around back.
Go around back.
Go around back.
Don't let him come through the screen door.
DJ, which one's mine? Which sticker on mine?
Oh, the one with the wrench next to it.
Where'd he go? You gotta come around this way.
Hey, man.
Right up here.
Alright, man. Oh, are we going through the window, man?
Yeah, other doors, it doesn't work. You gotta come through here.
Hang on, bro. Can you take the stuff, bro?
Yeah.
Anna!
Yeah.
Hi, Anna. Alright, thanks, bro.
No problem.
Hang on, bro.
Alright, there you go.
Alright, Caleb, I don't have to cut you.
I don't want to press it.
Nobody knows what the left.
Hey, where's
Yeah?
the electrical cap?
Oh, okay, hang on. While most people think the left is just an analytical term, however, the left is actually a series of complicated neurons dedicated to the biological essence of a direction.
Using this information, me and my team are gonna go hunt the Nalismus.
H!
Oh, that's really cool.
Now, to catch the Nalismus, we have a bowl, a bucket, if you will, of his favorite foods. Like here, basement beer, or an empty Quick Trip cup of coffee. Now, me and my team will go off and hide to make sure that we can catch him, never to go off. Everyone get... He escaped. We'll find him next time. See you next week on Ron's Nature Documentary. I'm Ron, this is Timmy, this is Carter. We'll see you next week.